Honestly, once we started using CompanyCam, it streamlined everything from top to bottom. Restoration is a pretty tough industry. You gotta keep track of pretty much everything.
Without photos, we don't get paid. Simple as that.
You know, we tried other services. They're all pretty clunky. Emailing was a pain, photos wouldn't attach, the guys never knew what to do. Then we started using a free trial of CompanyCam, and this was kind of our aha moment.
Pretty much just roll up to the site and just start taking photos. With CompanyCam, it doesn't matter if I take 10 photos or 1,000. It doesn't use up space on my phone at all.
Any photo from a subcontractor or my crew, I can see it right away. Instant job progress tracking, unlimited storage, GPS organization of projects and photos. Tags are huge. We deal with a lot of high-stress situations. Most of our customers are calling because of emergencies like flooded basements or something. But we deal with folks who want to blame us for everything.
The timestamp, the GPS location on the photos from CompanyCam prove that certain damage existed before us.
That and every photo we take in CompanyCam can be arranged into like a neat little PDF photo report. All the notes and annotations we leave on the photos are there, and we can make comments on the reports before we even send it off. We're not running blind, worrying about what's happening or what was done. It's all just clearly recorded. The amount of stuff that you can do with CompanyCam's app is just ridiculous. It's just a one-stop shop for any and everything that you need to do to protect your ass.